How to set up a passkey in Binance. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to see how you can easily set up a login passkey on your Binance so that you can log in without having to enter your password every time. Let's just jump right in. First off, you need to go ahead and open up your Binance application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you open up Binance, you want to find the hamburger menu at the top left corner. From there, you can head over to the settings by tapping on the gear icon, but you won't be able to find anything related to security here. So just go back and tap on your username or user ID, and right here you can find your security. Just go ahead and tap on it, and from security, you'll have an option to set up a passkey. Right at the top, you can just go ahead and tap on passkey or biometrics. And once you tap on it, you can log in without password. So instead of password, you can use your face or fingerprint, and it's going to work across all of your devices. Tap on add passkey at the bottom. And from here, you can just go ahead and tap on passkey. For biometric authentication, you just have to basically provide your fingerprint for your phone, and Google Manager will automatically add the passkey for you. That's basically it guys. Now you can use your passkey to log into your account without any trouble. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.